Mini centrifuges are essential tools in many laboratories, but like any piece of equipment, they can experience issues. Knowing how to quickly identify and resolve common problems can significantly reduce downtime and improve efficiency. Here are some typical issues and their solutions. Unstable operation. If your mini centrifuge vibrates excessively or makes unusual noises, solution: check if the rotor is balanced and correctly loaded. Make sure all samples weigh the same and are placed symmetrically. Power failure. If the centrifuge does not start at all, solution: ensure the power cord is securely connected and the outlet is functional. If the problem persists, check the fuse or circuit breaker. Temperature issues. For refrigerated models, if the temperature does not reach the set point, solution: confirm that the door is fully closed and the temperature settings are correct. Clean the condenser if necessary. Display errors. If there are error messages on the display screen, solution: consult the user manual for specific error codes and follow the recommended troubleshooting steps.